Well, the MNS versus Maharashtra government fight has finally come to an end after the MNS chief Raj Thackeray's meeting with Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan. Both parties have reached a consensus as Chavan assured the MNS chief that his demands will be incorporated in the new toll policy that is being worked on by the Cabinet subcommittee.
After a dramatic agitation came the climb down. Raj Thackeray met Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan to end the ongoing toll standoff. In the 2-hour-long meeting, both the Maharashtra government and the MNS chief putting their point across.
आचारसंहिता लागण्याच्या आत टोलचं नवं धोरण आम्ही आणू आणि त्यात केलेल्या ह्या ज्या सगळ्या चांगल्या ज्या सूचना आहेत ह्या त्याच्यामध्ये आम्ही त्याचा अंतर्भाव करू.
The MNS chief demanded shutdown of 28 toll plazas across the state, even asking the government to take stock of rampant accidents that occur on the expressway. Meanwhile, the government has assured that the new toll policy being drafted by the Cabinet subcommittee would incorporate all the suggestions.
सितंबर में हमने एक राज्य की नई टोल पॉलिसी निर्धारित करने के लिए हमने काम शुरू कर दिया था और वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सब कमेटी के कैबिनेट के सामने टोल पॉलिसी आई है. उसकी एक बैठक हो चुकी है और मैं समझता हूं कि जो कई सारे मुद्दे जो उठाए गए हैं इस एजिटेशन के दौरान वो कई सारे मुद्दे उस टोल पॉलिसी में अंतर्भूत है.
This meeting coming close on the heels of Raj Thackeray's arrest for his agitation that stirred up the city. But Thackeray has reiterated his call not to pay toll till the Chief Minister fulfills his promises.
This type of meetings at least 3 times with the Chief Minister, but every time we were promised that he'll look into it and all that, but the promises were not fulfilled or there was no action was taken actually.
At the end of the toll saga, everyone from Raj Thackeray, the Chief Minister and the Mumbai Police has come out a hero. But the question really is, will all this agitation and discussion really help the common man in Maharashtra? With video journalist Sanjay Ranjit, Kajal Iyer for Times Now.